Hello, Vocads. I'm Alexi, and in this session, we'll create our first campaign. How exciting! So, when creating a campaign, it's essential to think about the type of audience it is addressing in order to tailor their needs and expectation. Many factors can be considered here. The more you know about the user, the better. A welcome message is always a good idea to open the conversation with the user. Let's use the message element to set it up. To do so, we simply drag a message element from the library to our Canva. We can start with a greeting or any other kind of message you like. Unleash your creativity. Our next step will be to ask the user how they're doing. The perfect tool for this is the satisfaction element. It also works to know whether they're in a good mood or not. Personalizing a campaign really makes it more lively and takes the user's experience to a new level. In the satisfaction element, we can find an option called satisfaction bifurcation, which creates different flow based on the user's level of satisfaction. When a website is accessed by a user, they might see the homepage with information about offers, company news, and more. As a result, the user is unsure where to access what. Using Uni can really simplify navigation on your site. The first thing we can do is create a small flow that describes the company and what is offered using a message element. In our first message, we can present what the company does. Then we can talk about our community, for example, if you have a community. Then we can ask him, for example, if he wants to join the community or if he wants to learn more about the company. For this, we will use a multi-choice element. you can add the options with the Add More Option button here. If a user decides to join the community, we can redirect the user to the community page using the redirection element. You can put the URL of the website you want the user to join here. If the user decides to explore the website more, we let them choose, for example, what they want to learn more about using, for example, another multi-choice. The Join Now path is important to convert leads into customer. It plays a crucial role in prospect conversion. Whenever a user enters a new web page on the website, it is always wise to give them a little overview of a page to help them understand what's going on. For example, here. For example, you can create a message element connecting the redirection element for the user to have a better understanding of a page they land on. For our example, you can use an input element so the user can send his email to join the community. In order to end the campaign on a positive note, we can add a review block for the user to share their opinion. Let's use a yes/no element to create a prompt for a feedback session in your campaign. You can always use an open question element if you want more detailed feedback about something. An email with customized content can be sent to the email address listed in the Send Emails element for you at the end of the campaign when the user submits a review, for example. A message thanking the user for the feedback is always welcome at the end of the campaign. Here we go. We just created our first campaign. I hope everything is clear, Vocads. See you soon.